Tesla, back in the spotlight after releasing video of car delivering itself to owner without a driver. Tesla is once again in the spotlight after posting a video showing a car being delivered directly from the factory to a customer's home completely driverless. The event took place in the state of Texas, United States, and was revealed through a post on Tesla's official account on Platform X on Saturday, the 28th of June, 2025. In the video, a Tesla vehicle can be seen exiting the Tesla Gigafactory and driving itself on public roads toward the new owner's address. The journey reportedly took about 30 minutes and was completed entirely without any human intervention. World's first autonomous vehicle delivery? This Tesla drove itself from Gigafactory, Texas to its new owner's home, a 30-minute trip through parking lots, highways, and city streets. Tesla wrote in the post. The cabin camera showed that there was no one inside the vehicle throughout the trip. The car also passed through various road conditions, including traffic lights and residential areas. Tesla's autonomous driving technology is known as full self-driving, supervised. According to the company's official website, this system is developed using billions of real-world driving data points. This approach allows the technology to handle complex traffic situations and supports Tesla's long-term goal of improving road safety. Currently, full self-driving, supervised, is only available in the United States, Canada, China, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. However, Tesla has stated that the technology will be rolled out to more countries in the future. To support its functionality, the full self-driving supervised system is equipped with 360-degree cameras to monitor all blind spots. These cameras enable the vehicle to detect and avoid potential collisions with other road users, such as bicycles, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The uploaded video has sparked a wide range of reactions from netizens and automotive analysts, as it highlights a significant milestone in autonomous vehicle technology.